My name is Dermot Cavanagh. I'm an artist, tutor and demonstrator. I have presented 74 how to paint programs for the BBC called the Wash with Colour.
I'm quite chuffed with that.
You've got confidence already, John.
I don't know about that.
Give it a little bit of oomph there.
Exactly.
Have you the colour there for oomph?
Get hours of expert video tuition and follow every brushstroke. You can interact with a library of video tutorials which have been filmed in great detail. You will learn basic techniques as well as many fascinating tips and tricks of the trade. Learn how to sketch, paint skies, mix colours, paint trees and foliage, give texture to rocks and brickwork, contrast light against dark, take the pain out of painting windows, paint figures, and lots more. It's for painters of all ages and levels of ability. It is the most unique and innovative way to learn to paint today.
Everyone will know what they're getting for Christmas from now on, you know. My crazed imagining.
If you have the interest and the desire to paint, I have the ability and the experience to teach you.